Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the amazing typewriter effect in CapCut. This effect makes your text appear letter by letter, just like it's being typed in real time. It's perfect for adding a professional touch to your videos, whether you're making subtitles, intros, or creative edits. I'll guide you step by step, from setting up your text to applying the effect and making adjustments to get the perfect look. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with CapCut, you'll find this tutorial super easy to follow. So, make sure to watch till the end, and let's dive right in and start creating this awesome effect.